Hey everyone, you're trying to troubleshoot a faulty electrical system in your home. You've isolated the issue to a relay, but you're unsure how it works. You've heard people talk about contacts, but you're not sure what they mean. Have you ever wondered if a relay bank has contacts? If so, join me as we delve into the world of relays and explore the crucial role of contacts in their operation. Part 1. Understanding relays. A relay is essentially a simple electrical switch that is controlled by another electrical signal. It's a common component in various electrical systems, from cars to industrial machinery. The basic components of a relay include coil, the electromagnetic component that activates the switch. Contacts, the mechanical elements that open or close the electrical circuit. Relays are used to control larger loads or isolate circuits. They can also be used to provide safety features or automate processes. Part 2. The role of contacts. Contacts are the heart of a relay. They are the physical connection points that complete or interrupt the electrical circuit. There are two main types of contacts. Normally open, NO, contacts. These contacts are open when the relay is de-energized. When the coil is energized, the contacts close, completing the circuit. Normally closed, NC, contacts. These contacts are closed when the relay is de-energized. When the coil is energized, the contacts open, interrupting the circuit. The number and configuration of contacts in a relay bank can vary depending on the specific application. Some relays have multiple contacts, allowing them to control multiple circuits simultaneously. Part 3. Types of contacts and materials. Contacts can be made from various materials, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Common materials include silver, conductive, resistant to corrosion, and often used in general-purpose relays. Gold, highly conductive, resistant to corrosion, and often used in sensitive applications or high-frequency circuits. Platinum, durable, resistant to corrosion, and often used in heavy-duty applications or harsh environments. Palladium, similar to platinum, but with a lower melting point and often used in smaller relays. The type of contact material is chosen based on factors such as the required conductivity, resistance to corrosion, and the operating environment. Part 4. Contact rating and life expectancy. Contacts have a specific rating that indicates the maximum current and voltage they can handle without failing. This rating is important to ensure that the relay can safely control the intended load. The life expectancy of a relay's contacts depends on several factors, including the contact material, the operating environment, and the load being controlled. Regular maintenance and proper use can help prolong the life of contacts. Part 5. Common relay applications. Relays are used in a wide range of applications, including automotive systems, starting, lighting, and other electrical components. Industrial automation, controlling machinery and processes. Home appliances, washing machines, dryers, and other appliances. Telecommunications equipment, switching and signal routing. Security systems, alarms, access control, and surveillance. Part 6. Troubleshooting relay issues. If you suspect a problem with a relay bank, here are some common symptoms and troubleshooting steps. Circuit doesn't function as expected. Check the relay's contacts for damage or corrosion. Relay is overheating. Ensure the relay is properly rated for the load and that the operating environment is not too hot. Relay is making a clicking noise. This could indicate a faulty contact or coil. Relay is not responding to the control signal. Check the wiring and ensure the control signal is correct. Conclusion. So, to answer the question, yes, a relay bank does have contacts. These contacts are essential components that complete or interrupt the electrical circuit. The type, rating, and configuration of contacts can vary depending on the specific application. Understanding the role of contacts in a relay bank is crucial for troubleshooting and maintenance. By knowing how contacts work and what to look for, you can effectively diagnose and repair issues with your electrical systems. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.